if you are wondering what I'm wearing underneath this top, then keep on watching. And if you are a beginner and trying to find something which is really helpful to guide you कि किस टॉप के नीचे एक्चुअली में क्या पहनना चाहिए, then I'm here for you and I'm going to tell you everything about bras or what should you wear with what top. So yeah, I'm basically here to tell you everything about bras or nipple pasties, boob tapes, and everything. In this video you will find everything. So I hope this will help you, and I'm gonna show you कि मैं क्या use करती हूँ and what I prefer and what I not, and how you can save your money also, because there are tons of products available in the market which are not useful at all. So I'm gonna talk about that as well, so you can save up some money. So yes, if you are interested, then keep on watching. What's up cuties, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to this channel, then hi, my name is Nidhi and I make videos related to fashion and beauty, and sometimes I do vlog, but it's very rare. So yes, if you are new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like watching this video, then don't forget to like this video and share it with your loved ones. So yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, let's talk about the sizing of the bras, because while you are purchasing a bra, it's very important कि ये आपके right size की हो, because I have seen some people, some girls, like they are having saggy skin from here, so it's coming out of the bra, which is very not pleasant and it doesn't look good at all. So I'm here to help you with that. So for that, you need to wear right size of your bra, which is like very important, because this happens when you are wearing a wrong size or wrong bra. So it's very crucial when you are going to shop for a bra. So yes, so you have to measure your size correctly so you don't make a mistake. So I would suggest कि अगर आप first timer हो, like you are going for the first time to shop your bras, then I would say कि go for a like known brands, don't go for local shops जो ऐसे ओपन में होती हैं, बट आई वुड से गो टू जॉकी और ट्रायम्फ और मे बी जिवामे और anything like this, so you can get a help from a professional, so they can help you, guide you better to measure your bust size or bra size. So yes, but what I can tell you ki how to measure, so if you are shopping online or something like that, then this might can help you. So what you have to do, take a measurement tape and put it under your bust. So that is your band size. Measure it and then measure your fullest bust side, which is like around your nipples and all. So highest point of the bust is your bust size. Measure both of them. Suppose your band size is 34 and your cup size is maybe 32. So measure the difference between both of the numbers, and this is how you know if it's one digit ka gap, then it's a, and if it's a two digit ka gap, then it's B. So this is how you know. But yeah, this will help you uh, shop online a lot. So I always get my size perfect. So yes, and also you can do, if you are not sure कि किस size का लेना चाहिए, तो go to some store, maybe Marks and Spencer, Zivame or something like that. Get it measured there by a professional or something. Try it there. If you like something, then you go online and purchase it. So this is how you can get good discount as well, which I love. So मैं बहुत बारी ऐसे करती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं जाती हूँ स्टोर पे and then I try it, measure it and see if I like it or not, and then I come home and I shop online, so I get good discounts. So yes, you can save up some money as well with that method. And the next thing, while you are shopping for it, you need to be very careful with the fabric and everything. So every time you are going for it, look for something which is like really comfortable with the skin, whether it's cotton material or microfiber. I personally love microfiber and all, but sometimes it's very sweaty. Then I think cotton ones really help with like non-padded or lightly padded ones. So yes, so first let's talk about the t-shirt bras because they are the most worn bras in like everyday basis. So what I personally love Zivame ke bras. I have been using them since like I don't remember even. It's been 4 5 years since I'm wearing them, and like wearing this brand, not them. So yes, I love wearing Zivame ke bras, and this is their t-shirt bra, which I absolutely love. And yes, this is from Zivame, if you can see. And I absolutely love this bra so much. And this is really good for like everyday use. You can wear it underneath a white t-shirt. And for everyday, I think it's a must to have a black and a nude bra. White I don't have a lot of color actually. I basically have black or nude. If you can see, I will show you the pile. Everything is nude and black, which I think it fits perfectly with everything. So it goes with everything. मैं क्या करूँ? मेरे को दो ही color समझ में आते हैं. तो yes, this is the first one which I regularly use, and I wear them almost every day with all the t-shirt, all the like normal tops, even the suits. So I love wearing this one, and it has really good support, adjustable straps, so it's not too tight and it's not too loose as well. So it fits me perfectly and it gives proper support जितना चाहिए जरूरत है. It's not like heavily padded, it's very light padded. If you can see, it's very light one, and it has slightly like बहुत hard wire नहीं है, but it's like very soft one, and it has really nice cushioning so it doesn't poke you. So I love it for this one, and I'm continue wearing this on my daily basis. So if you can see, I really love this bra. I can prove actually, because look at this one my old one, same pattern, but the old one I have worn it like anything. मैंने इसको इतना जम के यूज किया है ना, और अभी भी मुझे कहीं वैसी जगह जाना होता है ना, लाइक स्पा, स्पा तो नहीं बोलूंगी, लाइक वैक्सिंग कराने या ऐसा कुछ पार्लर वगैरह जाना होता, तो आई वेयर दिस वन, कि अगर कुछ लग भी जाए तो आई डोंट रिग्रेट इट. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. And except from Zivame, I love bras from H&M. I love their bras. So I have this one. This is again a t-shirt bra, but it has more underwire thing. It has hard wire, बिल्कुल भी flexible नहीं है, और it has mesh का straps, which is amazing, like very breathable for summers and all, and it gives such good finish. And I have both the colors because it comes in set of two, and I think it was for 4.99 or 12.99, something like that. You always get them in H&M. So yes, I love getting these two, and it has super coverage, adjustable straps, so it's always a smooth finish, and I love it. And except from these two bras, I have one strapless bra. So every time you are wearing something like tube top or anything like that, you can wear these kind of bras. It comes with the strap, but I don't know कहाँ गुम हो गई हैं straps, मुझे मिली नहीं, और मोस्टली मैं इसको बिना straps के ही पहनती हूँ. तो it's like this, it fits perfectly, and it has silicone here पूरे बैंड में, तो it doesn't move or anything. And this is again from H&M. I love it so much, and the band is really thick, so you get nice support. And I think आप कोई भी कलर के कपड़े पहनो, it doesn't matter. तो I get only black and white like nude and whites, nude and blacks. What's wrong with me? Nude and so I always get nudes and blacks for these kind of like multi-purpose bras. And apart from this, I have a lot of bralettes, as you can see, a lot of them. So these are mostly like lacy ones. When you have something like deep neck, मुझे ऐसा करना पसंद है. Otherwise, you can get plunge neckline वाली bras as well if you don't want to show anything. But I like to show a little bit, थोड़ा सा bra. So that's when I love wearing bralettes inside. This is again from H&M. It has thoda sa covering yahan pe niche bhi, like this is the cup and then you get this mesh ka detail. It looks so sexy, and then you get a very broad band this side, and it has 5 hooks, so you get really nice support and adjustable straps hain, and it looks so good, very sexy. And underwire bhi hai isme, so if I'm wearing a shirt and I want to open it, then this is the one I choose. और इसमें थोड़ा सा आपको सपोर्ट मिलता है बिकॉज ऑफ अंडरवायर ऑब्वियसली, तो उसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा pushy लगते हैं boobs. Otherwise it's just normal, and it doesn't have a lot of padding, it's very light, so you might need a nipple cover as well, but otherwise it's really nice. You can see what सासू के बाल बहुत है हमारे घर में, तो हर चीज में लग जाता है. So other one I have this one. This doesn't have any padding, but the color is so pretty, and it has mesh ka strap, which is again very breathable, और 2 hook हैं. And I love wearing this underneath something which can be a little revealing. तो मैंने इसको बहुत बारी स्टाइल किया है. I'll attach the picture, and I think it's very chic and it looks very good if you add one more color with this bralette and all. So yes, I love this one. And this one from Forever 21. I think they do such good bralettes. So I love going to Forever 21 just for the bralettes. And the other one I have again from H&M, it's this one. This has padding plus it has lace all over. If you can see, I hope you can see. So yes, it's very lacy, sexy and all. It doesn't have a lot of support, but yeah, it looks very nice. And it has very thin strap, and yeah, basic one, but yeah, this is basically for when you want to reveal something, that you are wearing this sexy lingerie underneath, so for that kind of moment. The other one I have is this blue one, and it has such interesting detail. It has these kind of a strap. ये भी मैंने Paris से ही लिया था, and it was again on discount. So yes, I grabbed it, and I love wearing them underneath some dresses because इसका strap इतना cool है. तो अगर strap दिख भी रहा होता है ना, तो it doesn't make any like awkwardness or anything like that. It looks very cute, and it has lightly padding, and the pads are removable, so you can remove as well if you want, or you can keep as well. But yeah, it looks very beautiful with the white dress. I think it will look very cute. And again I have another one again from H&M. This one as well I got from Paris. It's a normal bralette, but it doesn't have any hook. It's like this, so it has lace all over it, and you might need to wear nippy cover with this. But yeah, it looks very nice, and look at the strap. It has lace, and it's a little thicker from the front, and then back may you get this adjustable one, so it looks very nice. And again सारे कलर आपको ऐसे ही मिलेंगे. And then I have few more pieces which are like multi-purpose. So I have this one which is like something like sports bra. थोड़ी सी वैसी है but it doesn't give you that much support like sports bra and all, but it comes with the padding and all, removable है तो you can remove it or wear it. So it comes with two ka set. So it is the gray one and a black one. It's almost like black and that is white. So gray and white. So this is again same, removable padding and adjustable straps. So these kind of bra I like to wear underneath a crop top or something which can be revealing from the bottom. So I love wearing these one underneath. So if you are raising your hands or doing anything, then it's like fully covered and safe. So that's why I have two colors, so you never go wrong with these two, like black and white. So yeah, I play safe when it comes to bra. Then I have very amazing pieces, like थोड़ी सी colorful, जो I think can be used as a top or as a blouse as well. मैं कभी कभी पहन भी लेती हूँ. So yes, so this is one. These are basically swimsuits. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ ना, मैं उसके टॉप का ले लेती हूँ and I can use it as a blouse or something. So yes, so this is the first one. This is in the shade purple. It's थोड़ा lavenderish color है इसका, if you can see. It's lovely and I got it from Paris again, and this is lovely. I love pairing them up with something like underneath, or maybe I'm wearing this on top of a mesh top or something like that. Outfit में color add करने के लिए I use these kind of poppy colors के bralets and all. And then I have this one. This is very neon green. I know it's not the color everyone can wear, but yeah, it's a swimsuit ka top. It has wire here and slightly padding hai, और सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है, but I think I can wear it as a blouse. So yes, that's why I got it, and it looks very sexy. I will style someday and then I'll show you guys. And the other one as well, it's a swimsuit, and I got the top only because I don't know swimming, and it has knot at the back. How sexy it is, and I think I can make this work as a blouse. So yeah, that's why I got it, and it looks so good as a blouse. This is again from H&M. All of my bralettes are from H&M. And now comes the part when I will share कि actually मैं complicated tops के साथ कि क्या पहनना चाहिए. Like this one I'm wearing, it has only one shoulder. So this side it has all the fabric, but it doesn't have anything here. So in this case, what I like to wear, I like to wear these kind of क्या बोलेंगे इसको, pasties, I would say. So I will show you first the cheaper version of this, which like easily available in the market. So first is this one. This is available in Amazon and you get it for like really cheap. But the problem with this one, it has like very bad quality, and I'll show you. If you can see, it has very weird edges, like it's almost like skin coming off, which looks very odd with the tops. So suppose you are wearing it underneath a white top, it will show, it will 100% will be visible, and it's very transparent. You can see my ring underneath. So I don't know making इसके बनाने का point क्या हुआ, when it's visible, when it's not like very seamless, or like finishing अच्छी नहीं है. So that is why I don't like wearing these, and I have stopped wearing them since I have discovered this one, because this is magic. So if you are also using that one, then I would suggest you to go with this one. This is slightly mehenga, like this is for 690 rupees, but it worth it. It worth it, because look at the finish. It has like very seamless finish, and it comes like this. So you remove this, and it doesn't have that वैसा वाला glue जो like बहुत hurtful होता है, and then you stick to your skin, and then bam, no bumpiness, nothing. Look at the edges, it's so smooth, and it's sweat proof, waterproof, and it's everything, and it's just for 690 rupees. So I love wearing these, and अभी भी मैंने यही पहने हुए हैं. I have two pairs, so मैंने अभी वही पहना हुआ है, and I have zero complaints about this one. It's so good. Do try them and you will know. I almost wear them with everything. When I'm not sure ki which bra I should wear, I wear these and you're good to go. Then I have this one. These are also nippy covers from Forever 21. Yeah. So I don't really like the fact that this is like almost like bra. So if you are wearing them, the shape is so prominent. So I don't like using them. And it has this glue. And the minute you wear it, obviously it will be visible. Look at the bump. I hate it so much, so I bought it. It was for 599 rupees, but the fact I hate it because of the shape. Otherwise, it's a really good product. If you can get it in bigger size, then I think it would might work with the like all the tops and everything, but not for me right now. इसके अलावा what is available in the market is these bunny covers. इसको bunny कुछ तो बोलते हैं, I don't remember actually. Okay, तो इसमें एक ही कवर है जिसमें मैंने इसको दोनों को चिपका रखा है because I might have lost it. So you with this one you just have to put it and then you can pull it here, so it will give you nice support. And yeah, it's good, but again the fact it's like really bumpy on the edges because it's almost like a bra का padding. तो इसका thickness बहुत है basically around the edges, so it doesn't look very seamless. So if you are wearing something like which has like nice embroidery or something going on, and it works basically with plunge neckline. So if you are wearing something with deep neckline or anything like that, this will give you like a really good support. But yeah, if you are wearing something which has like embroidery or something like कुछ texture है, if it's like too textury, then this will work. Otherwise it will be very much visible, so be careful. And these are also very much available on Amazon and Flipkart and everywhere. And then I have nipple covers from Forever 21 again. This one is amazing. I love wearing this one. This is fully fabric, but you can use it once or twice only. You can't use it like multiple times, but it comes in the set of like three or six, maybe. I don't remember. But yeah, these are really good. इसका glue भी बहुत अच्छा है, and it's all fabric like lacy fabric. It's not see through. तो अगर आप white या nude के अंदर पहनते हो तो it won't be visible. These are really good. I have one more set जो कि almost खत्म हो चुका है. So yes, these are the new ones. That's why I'm showing you. This is again for 599 rupees. तो इस वाले से I would suggest कि ये वाले लेना. These are much better, and you can wear it with anything or everything. And the last thing, and I think the best thing, is boob tape. So I have a lot of boob tapes as well. So this is the one I got from Amazon. So boob tape. It says boob tape only. And I have another one as well. And this is from Plumberry, as you can see. So I have two shades, a nude and a black. Obviously, ones are not really that good. If you are wearing something like really tight, then you can use them. Otherwise, these are pretty much useless. क्योंकि मैंने इसको एक बार यूज किया था and because of sweating it was coming out again and again and again. It was really bad experience. So you can see this one is haven't opened yet. It's packed only because the experience was horrible. तो मैंने नहीं यूज किया दोबारा. बट मैंने ये न्यूड वाला यूज किया था. इसका ग्लू उतना अच्छा नहीं है, बट द विथ यू कैन सी it's really good and covers the like needed area. and इसके नीचे आपको निपल covers लगाने पड़ते हैं, like nipple covers use करने पड़ते हैं. then you use this one, otherwise it will be very hurtful if you remove it directly from your nipples. so yes, keep that in mind. you can get the paper one as well. थोड़े temporary वाले भी आते हैं, तो वो ले लो. and then get a good quality one, not this one, because this is a flop. I don't like this one. I like the butt sheet ka boot tape. They have the best quality. So yes, get that one and you can wear literally anything or everything, whether it's backless or a plunge neckline, deep neckline, or anything, like literally anything. And boob tapes are the best investment if you really want to know. And these nippy covers, these are also like saviors. I Nowadays I don't really wear bra. I always use this one and this does the job, and I love using this one. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this video will help you a little bit. If you are looking for a guide or something like that, then please hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and do share it with your loved ones and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you find the solution you were looking for, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, you can like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.